Hello, and welcome to the Paybox Android application tutorial. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store, search for Paybox, scroll down, and you're looking for this application right here. I've already installed the application, so we'll switch over there now to use it. So, what we have here are 6 devices that I'm currently connected to through our application. Selecting one will tell us the price, will tell us if we're connected, and will highlight green. Once we've done that, we can specify how many minutes we would like, and then we can get price, and our total is $4.25. Down here we have our prepaid code, which we will put in, and we will charge the prepaid. And if you can hear that beep, that's the device starting up for 85 minutes. Thank you.